Library Kids Room and welcome to STEAM at Home, where we bring our STEAM club to your house. Today we are making PomPom flyers. This contraption will make it so you can make this PomPom go flying across the room or way up into the air. All we need is a balloon, a tube, and our PomPom. We will use the air from this balloon to send our PomPom flying, but the trick is we don't actually have to blow the balloon up. Instead, we will use it to propel the PomPom by using a push of air. We tie off the opening to create sort of a handle, and then we cut off the other end so it's open, like that. And then all you do, when you pull back the thing and let go, it kind of pushes the air that was taking up the space inside the balloon out. But it won't really do anything when you that doesn't do much. So what we use is this tube, and we can wrap it around the tube, like so. And now when we pull back and push the air, it sort of gets focused to the tube. So you can, makes a fun sound too. Now this will be able to propel our PomPom. So we put, all you need to do, take your PomPom, put it in, like so, and then off it goes. There's a lot of different ways you can try to test how well your PomPom flyer works. Try pulling back different amounts on the tube. So if you pull back really far, or pull back just a little, really far in between, shoot your PomPom straight across the room and mark off where it lands. Does it go farther when you pull harder or farther when you pull softer? If you shoot it straight up in the air, how long does it take before it comes down? Can you even count the seconds? Is it so fast or does it stay in there longer? Is there ways you can change the distance that it flies? There's something though very important we have to note about these, which is that, my friends, we will never ever point this at another person, at an animal, at someone who's not playing, and you definitely don't point it at yourself. So if you're gonna shoot it, don't look into it while you're pulling back. This is not a good idea. I didn't put a PomPom in here for that. So this is a fun thing we've made and we can experiment with, but we do have to be extra careful with it. But I look forward to hearing about how far you can send those PomPoms flying. What happens if you put more than one in? What other things can you shoot out of it? Do things shoot better when they are soft or heavy? These are all questions I think you can probably answer when you do your own experiments with your flyer. But thank you, folks. We hope you liked this project with STEAM at Home. If you're looking for more information or to keep updates about what we can do, keep an eye on our website, on our Facebook page, or you can always give us a call. We'd love to hear your questions or hear about your experiences with this project. All right, folks, until next time.